question says, for Baal Teshuva, should they share their past with their spouse, or should they avoid discussing the past completely?
I mean, if it's not for a constructive purpose, so better not to. So maybe he was very promiscuous in his past life, and he was in a college for, I don't know. Well, and now he said, yeah, Baruch Hashem, I became religious because in my past life, and he started telling about all of these 17 girlfriends that he had. So I don't think it would contribute to Shalom Bayis very much. You understand? So yeah, keep it quiet. Don't share. If it's something like basic, it's not not so much negative. Like you were little, you went fishing, you fell. I don't know what. You push your friend off the boat. I don't know, like something like that. And so maybe you can tell your wife. But other things, no. I mean, if she presses, but even if she presses, it's preferable to lie. Not to lie, but deviate. Like not to give a clear answer, especially if person did Teshuvah. And especially if it's like has no impact on today's life whatsoever, right? If a person has some sickness like mental disease, yeah, they must tell them, right? Because it has impact. I mean, of course, he's taking medicine, maybe, or some right? What is he was a drug user. That's a big one, but he has to disclose, because why? Because many of them going back, and should she knows that, she would never marry this guy, right?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So on the same issue, if this Baal Teshuva did very shameful things in the past, that he's not very open to disclose with anyone, but he sees or knows about someone that is doing something similar, is he allowed to, when talking to this person, bring his experiences or anecdotes from his past in order to address this person and help him do Teshuvah? Like, listen, I know what you're doing is wrong, but I did the same and I did Teshuvah, so would it be okay to do this?
You see, it would be okay to do that in the case if this person would not tell to everybody. But if he's we were trying to help, and I had this issue, so I was trying to help somebody, and I would share some personal information, not personal, whatever, something that I would not say in public, right? Whatever, right? My views or something that I would not say in public, right? And this person said, "Oh yeah," so and he would decide to share with everybody. You understand? So I did not help him, and he ruined me. Not ruined, but damaged in some sense. You understand? So it's you can always start a conversation. I knew a person. He was very close to me. So some stories, like when I tell somebody, it was a story about me, but I would say somebody is close to me. I mean, but I'm close to my stuff, so there's no I'm not lying to you. You understand? And I knew the details because it was me. But for that person, it should be irrelevant.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.